Late road traffic, all public buses will be prohibited. Private cars can go, but they'll be checked. And essential supplies through trucks, etc., that will also go on, but after proper checking. These are all the precautions so that the spread of corona is contained.
So this correct is done by Karnataka government.
Yes.
And what about the Goa government? Any?
Right now, government of Goa has not taken any decision on this front. We are not regulating road traffic right now. But as I said, things are evolving fast. Whenever such a decision is taken, that will be shared with all of you.
Okay. The code of conduct is now, it goes from midnight or it says?
I cannot say anything officially on that front. We are also waiting for communication from State Election Commission.
Because the crowd, it is always a crowded place. And as mentioned, you have to maintain a distance of 1 meter, which is not minute. So it is a place where disease can spread.
We will be on, our machinery will be on check. I do understand your concern. Not only Gada, anywhere if many people are gathering, that may become problematic. Honorable Prime Minister has also requested to maintain social distancing. So each one of us must understand and behave accordingly.